Hello and welcome to Michelle's videos. Fractions. Most people go, oh, I hate fractions. They're okay. What we're going to do with this video is we're going to go quite slow, step by step, hopefully, so you get the idea. So we're just going to look at add and subtract because luckily for that, I can use the same method. And the method I use is the kissing method or the box method, if you like it that way. I like the kissing. Right, so let's make some facts first. A whole one, if we had 2/3, I would need 1/3 to equal 1. Why? Why? Why would I need that to add to that? Why would that make 1? Yeah. 2 plus 1 is 3. Let's just cross that out a minute. And the denominator's the same, so it stays the same. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Okay, so if we had 3/10 and I wanted to make that to 1, what fraction would I need to add on to it? Yeah, exactly. I would need to have 7/10, and that would equal 1. 3 plus 7, I've just put this in a bracket up here. 3 plus, oh, you can't see it there. 3 plus 7 is 10. Denominator stayed the same, and that makes 1. Okay? Just in case you forgot that. I think that's important. Okay, let's look at add and subtract. If they are the same denominator as before, all we need to do is add the top. Lovely jubbly. So E dot G, same denominator, 5/8 plus 2/8 equals 7/8. Okay, 5 plus 2, 7. They are the same, so it stays the same. Okay, nice and easy. I think add and subtract. We're going to do a subtract one just to show you. 7/10 minus 1/10 equals 6/10. 6/10. Oh, what can we do with that? We can simplify that. Look at simplifying a fraction video. Okay, my thinking number is going to be 2. How many 2's in 6? There's 3. How many 2's in 10? There's 5. So I'm actually left with 3/5. So where you can, please simplify. Okay, so nice and easy, add and subtract with the same denominator. However, what if they are different denominators? So let's have a look at one here. So we've got 2/5 plus a half. 2/5 plus a half. Okay, here we go, step by step. Make a box. Let me write that out for you first. 2/5 so you can see it, and a half. Okay, first step, make a box. Within that, make 4 boxes. With me so far? Lovely jubbly. This one along the top. It doesn't really matter, but if you keep to the same way every time, you'll be fine. This one, top. This one, bottom. I've kept the fractions together, yeah? Kept them together. I haven't changed them around or done anything with them. This is why it's called the kissing method, because we love fractions. So we put a lovely, beautiful kiss in there to remind us that we are going to times everything else out. Okay? In class, I might blow you a kiss, and you will know that it is fractions we are going to be doing. Okay? 1 times 2 is, we cannot do 1 times 2. There's nowhere to put our answer, so we just ignore it, okay? 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 can't do. 1 times 5, 5. Go to your next number. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. Loving it so far, okay? Next step. This one here, bottom right, or it might be your left, I don't know how you're looking at the video, but my right, is always your denominator. It's at the bottom, it stays at the bottom, okay? Therefore, now I'm just going to double check here. Is this a plus? It is. So what do you think we're going to do with them numbers? Yeah, we're going to add them. 4 plus 5 or 5 plus 4, same as 9. So your answer is 9 tenths. Let's do another one. I'm going to go slightly quicker. Slightly quicker. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Which one we got now? Oh, we got, let's put it up here, 2 sevenths plus a half. Okay, 2 sevenths plus a half. Okay, Michelle said, do a box, make it into 4. Okay, 2 sevenths. The first one can go there. The second one go there. 2 sevenths. Yep. And 1, 2. Yep. Okay. Then Michelle said, put a kiss there. Right, my kiss is there. Done. Right, what do I do? Oh, hold on. I multiply. So 1 times 2 I cannot do because it's telling me to. No box there. Okay. 1 times 7. Okay, 7. 2 times 2, 4. Yeah, 2 times 2. Yeah. And then 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, what did Michelle say then? What's what? Ah, wait there. This is at the bottom right. So I know I'm right. And now there it goes at the bottom. Okay, so I'm right so far. And then I've got 2 numbers left. What do I do with them? Oh wait, it's a plus. So 7 plus 4 is 11. Yay! Whippy! Excellent. Okay. Now, watching that, I'd like you to have a go at that one. Have a go. I'll write it down in case you can't see it. That is a bit small in there. Okay, so 3 tenths plus 2 fifths. What's your answer? Okay, right. Don't panic. We've got 11 fifteenths minus 1 sixth. Easy. Box 4. 11 fifteenths, 1 sixth. Kiss. 1 times 11 can't do. 1 times 15 is 15. 6 times 11, oh, nice and easy. And 6 times 15 is 90. Right, okay, yes. Right, Michelle said that one. It's a 90, it's the bottom. Right, oh, what do I do now? Highest is the takeaway. Highest, take away lowest, okay? So 66, take away 15 is 51. 51 is a prime number. Watch the video on prime numbers. What is it? What is it? 70. But 70 won't go into 90. I don't think I can simplify. Bingo. Can you see? Add and subtract are exactly the same method, but when you get to this point, look at what you're doing. Look at what you're doing. Are you adding or are you subtracting? When you're adding, you can add either way. When you're subtracting, highest take away lowest. Take away lowest. Just write that in for you. Okay, so it's exactly the same method. Let's just show you again. Let's do this one. Okay, 8/9 minus 3/5. Box 4 within it. Don't need to go neat here. 8, 9, 3/5. As long as I keep them together. Kiss. 3 8s can't do. 3 9s. Remember what I say. 9, 18, 27. If you're unsure, count them out. 5 times 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Lovely. And 5 times 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Excellent. 45. Right. Bottom right means I'm right. Okay. 40, 20. Okay. What did Michelle say? What did Michelle say? Yeah. Highest takeaway, lowest is going to leave me 13. 13, that's a prime number, so I cannot go any further. Okay. Have a go at that one. Let's write that down for you because it's not exactly clear on there. 2/3 minus 9/16. Okay. Here are your questions. Remember, pause the video, write it out, do your working out, and then answer the questions. Jasmine has a bottle that contains 7/10 litre of orange juice. She pours out some orange juice and now has 1/4 litre left. How much orange juice did Jasmine pour out? You have to decide if that's add or plus. Okay. In a school, pupils study one language. They choose either French, Spanish, or Italian. 3/20 of the pupils study Italian, and 5/8 of the pupils study French. What fraction of the pupils study Spanish? Make it a whole. Add together, make it a whole. Right at the beginning of the video. Some adds there and subtracts. These are mixed, so you've got to make them improper first. When you get your answer, make it back to a mixed. Watch the mixed to improper, improper to mixed video, please. 1, 2, write them down, do what you need to do. I like this one. Typical GCSE question, that one. I love this one. Actually, this one is probably, definitely going into your grade 4. Patrick has a bag of sugar. Uses a lot of sugar to make a cake. Never mind. And